Hello everybody. Today there's a lot of noise, I believe. Are you able to hear me? Can you all hear me? Actually it is raining a lot here. बहुत बारिश है बाहर. तो हमारे ताइक्वांडो ट्रेनिंग हॉल के बाहर lot of noise is there. So sometime there may be little disturbance. मुझे सुनने में थोड़ी परेशानी हो सकती है आप लोगों को. तो are you able to hear me? क्या आप मुझे सुन सकते हैं? Yes, very good. Very good. Let me take few more feedbacks. Can you hear me? Are you able to hear? Okay. All right. Fine. So I will be little close to you today. I will not go back. Otherwise, आप मुझे सुन नहीं पाएंगे. So my dear children, as I told you, today we are going to have one more instructor who is going to teach you some basics, but आज हम कुछ अलग करेंगे. I repeat, आज हम कुछ अलग करने की कोशिश करेंगे. You know what? आज हम म्यूजिक के साथ एक्सरसाइज करेंगे. Okay? Am I clear to you? आज हम म्यूजिक के साथ एक्सरसाइजेस करेंगे. That means our exercises will be performed along with the music. So you got to be a little more enthusiastic. You got to be a little more, cheerful, because you are going to experience something new today. But in the second half, in the first half, we have got strong basics of Pumse. So I invite our instructor for the day, Mr. Naresh Bhavsar. Mr. Naresh has been the national coach of India for the international competitions. भारत का प्रतिनिधित्व एक कोच के रूप में, एक प्रशिक्षक के रूप में कर चुके हैं और बहुत एक्सपीरियंस है, उन्हें बहुत अनुभव है. तो आज हमारे इस सेशन का पहला भाग श्री नरेश भवसार लेंगे. उसके बाद हम स्विच ओवर करेंगे कुछ अदर कंडीशनल एक्सरसाइजेस. एंड माइंड इट, आज हम आपको चेक करने वाले हैं जो भी आपने पिछले दिनों में सीखा है. इट्स अ काइंड ऑफ एग्जामिनेशन फॉर यू. ओके, इट्स गोइंग टू टेस्ट. So we are going to test you. We are going to test your abilities. So are you ready for it? Are you ready? Good. All right. So here we are for the session. Over to Mr. Naresh Bhavsar. Please.
आप सभी को नमस्कार. आप लोग सुन पा रहे हैं मुझे? प्लीज शो मी थंब. ओके, वेरी गुड. आप मुझे सुन पा रहे हैं? ओके, सो टुडे वी आर गोइंग टू स्टार्ट सम मोर बेसिक मूवमेंट्स व्हिच विल बी यूज्ड इन पुमसे. जैसे कि लास्ट टाइम मैंने बताया था आपको, आज हम करेंगे बैकवर्ड स्टांस, दैट इज क्विक पुबी स्टांस एंड सोन्नाल मोक्तम सोन्नाल आरेमाकी, एंड इसी का एक वर्जन हंसोन्नाल मोक्तम एंड हंसोन्नाल आरेमाकी which will be used in Pumse. Okay, everybody stand up everybody, please stand up. Okay, we're going to start our class, today's class. Chale, Pingre. Okay, now first of all we will start some warm-up exercises which will helpful to increase our blood flow in our vessels, which reduce the risk of injury. सो ये बहुत जरूरी है कि हर सेशन से पहले वार्म अप किया जाए और कूल डाउन किया जाए. सो वी विल स्टार्ट वार्म अप टुडे. ओके, स्टैंड अप. Put your both hands on your trunk. We will start from top to bottom. Okay, now start from head. Okay, start. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now front and back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now rotation, neck rotation. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now finish. Now we'll come for wrist joints. Wrist joints. Ready, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now finger, stretch finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Change hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Change. Okay, now elbow joints. Elbow joints. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now shoulder joints. Okay, now start. Back to front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now deltoid stretch. Deltoid stretch. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Change. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now triceps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now trunk rotation. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Reverse. 1. Very good. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now side. Spread your both legs. दोनों पैरों को थोड़ा सा और खोलेंगे. Okay, now left side down. Raise your right hand and down towards left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change. अब दूसरी ओर बाएं हाथ को ऊपर उठाएंगे और दाहिनी ओर झुकेंगे. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now knee bend. Knee bend. Okay. Put your both hands on your knees and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, this is good for knee joints mobility. Okay, now we'll go for quadriceps stretch. Okay, hold your left ankle, hold your left ankle. Now start, stretch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Change your leg. Now right leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, now front. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Change. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now open your both legs. Open your both legs. Ready? Now bend your knees and both hands are on the knee. Okay, now turn your right side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Change direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now from left side we will start knee touch for hamstring stretch. Okay, hold your ankle और दोनों घुटने सीधे रखेंगे. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Now little bit calf stretch. Calf stretch. पीछे वाले पैर की एड़ी नहीं उठाएंगे. पीछे वाले पैर की एड़ी नहीं उठाएंगे. ओके. नाउ आप मुझे सुन पा रहे हैं? सोमिथम, सोमिथम, आप मुझे सुन पा रहे हैं? ओके, गुड. ओके, स्टार्ट. ओके, नाउ stretch, calf stretch. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Change leg. Change leg. अपने पैर के एड़ी को नहीं उठाएंगे. अपने पैर की एड़ी को नहीं उठाएंगे. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Now ankle rotation. Ankle rotation. Ready, start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Change your leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Reverse. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, now next is jumping jack. Next is jumping jack. Do with me. Okay, now on my count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we'll do together. Now little bit fast क्योंकि अब आप सीख चुके हैं इसे. Ready, start. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now enough. Okay, now we'll take a 30-second break and we'll back for learn some more basic movements. Okay, water break for 30 seconds only. We'll be back soon. आप थोड़ा सा पानी पी के जल्दी वापस आइए. Okay, now back. Okay, so we are going to start Duit Kubi stance, Sonnal Momtomaki, and after that Sonnal Aremaki. जैसे कि मैंने पहले ही बताया है, this is part is Momtong, lower part is Are, and this one is Ongul. So जो भी हम टर्मिनोलॉजी यूज कर रहे हैं, कोरियन टर्मिनोलॉजी यूज करते हैं, सो उसी के हिसाब से बेसिक मूवमेंट्स के नाम रखे हुए हैं. सो आप लोग इन्हें रिमेंबर रखिएगा. ओके, नाउ डूइंग टू बी स्टांस. जैसे कि मैंने पिछली बार बताया था आपको, डूइंग टू बी इज बैकवर्ड स्टांस. ओके, नाउ स्टैंड. ओके, नाउ डूइंग टू बी is this one. इसमें डिस्टेंस आएगा, यहां देखिएगा 90 डिग्री राइट साइड, 1 2 and 3. सो 2 फुट का डिस्टेंस होगा दोनों हील टू हील. ओके, 1 2 and 3 and little back downwards. This is Duit Kubi stance. So we'll practice in Duit Kubi. Okay, now Sonnal. This is called Sonnal. This is called Sonnal. So we'll practice today Sonnal Momtomaki. Chariot. Chumbi. Okay, now first we'll practice only Duit Kubi stance. And after that, we'll add in this Sonnal Momtomaki. So, backward stance, 1. Okay, this is backward because पीछे वाले पैर पर ज़्यादा weight होता है. Okay, now, अब forward जाएंगे, 1 2 3 4. Okay, now back, go back. Okay, start. One more time. 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, go back. One more time, go back. Okay, so now we'll add in this Sonnal Momtomaki. दोनों हाथों की पोजीशन इस तरह रहेगी, एक हाथ पीछे की ओर, पाम जो है बाहर की ओर होगा, और दूसरा जो हाथ है उसकी हथेली ऊपर की ओर. नाउ विल टर्न दिस, लास्ट मूवमेंट पर टर्न करेंगे. अगेन वन मोर टाइम, फ्रॉम हियर this one. Okay, this is Sonnal Momtomaki. Okay, so we'll do in Duit Kubi. Okay, first check me. मैं पहले आपको करके दिखा रहा हूं, उसके बाद आप लोग मेरे साथ करेंगे. Ready? Chariot, Chumbi. Okay, Duit Kubi Sonnal Momtomaki. 1 2 3 4 Okay, now we'll do together. अभी हम लोग सब साथ में करेंगे, हम सब साथ में करेंगे. Ready? We'll start. Chair. Tumbi. Okay, now do it to be Sonnal Montomaki, which will be used mostly in Pumse. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, go back. अब मैं आपको 3 डायरेक्शन में दिखाऊंगा, सामने, साइड में और मेरे राइट साइड में, जिससे आपको इजीली समझ में आ सके. ओके, विल स्टार्ट. Sonnal Montomaki Duikubi. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, very good. Okay, now I will count and check you. आप पीछे जाइए आप सभी. Go back. Go back. Very good. रितिका, अमिता, पीछे जाइए, मैं आपको चेक कर रहा हूँ. Okay, ready? We'll do on my count. Ready? Chumbi, Duit Kubi, Montomaki. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4. Very good, Aradhya. Aradhya, very good. Swara, बहुत अच्छे. वैष्णवी, very good. Little bit, थोड़ा सा हाथ को जो है डिस्टेंस 1 फिंगर का डिस्टेंस होगा. दिस इज 1 फिंगर. बिल्कुल चिपका के नहीं रखना है, थोड़ा सा गैप होगा. ओके, गैप, 1 फिंगर गैप. ओके, सो ध्यान रखिएगा. ओके, चलिए ठीक है. ओके, रेडी. नेक्स्ट. 5, 6, 7, 8. यस, वेरी गुड. थोड़ा सा लास्ट मूवमेंट पे टर्न कीजिए. लास्ट मूवमेंट पर टर्न. ओके, लास्ट मूवमेंट पर स्पीड में टर्न होगा. यहां से ये पावर स्लो होना चाहिए इस तरफ. ओके, यस, शाबाश, वेरी गुड. कीप इट अप. ओके, आवर नेक्स्ट इज Sonnal Aremaki. Sonnal Aremaki. We'll do Sonnal Aremaki. Okay. Do it Kubi Sonnal Aremaki. Chire. Okay, ready? Chumbi. Are means नीचे. तो Sonnal Aremaki नीचे की ओर होगा. Okay, first check me. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. 1, 2. Okay, we'll do together now. Okay, stand up. Ready? Chile. Ready? Jumbi. Ready? 1. Direct. 2, 3, 4, 5. Ready? Very good. Go back. One more time. One more time. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. This is the position of Duit Kubi Aremaki. Duit Kubi Aremaki. Okay. Okay. Now let me check. कितने लोग सही कर रहे हैं? I will check. Go back. Go back and Chumbi position. Okay, ready. On my count, Duit Kubi, Sonnal Aremaki. Put your left leg front and right leg backward. 1, 2, 3, very good. Simlin, very good. 4, आराध्य आराध्य नीचे नीचे करेंगे, पूरा हाथ जो है नीचे लाएंगे, आराध्य, हाँ वेरी गुड. पुट योर राइट हैंड स्ट्रेट, आराध्य राज. ओके, 6, 7, 8, वेरी गुड. नाउ गो बैक, गो बैक. चलो अब हम इसी के साथ, इसी के कंटिन्यूशन में इसी का हाफ पार्ट जो कि कहलाता है हंसोन्नाल. हंसोन्नाल में एक ही हाथ मूवमेंट होता है. हंसोन्नाल, मोमतोम मकी. दिस इज ऑल्सो यूज्ड इन पुमसे फ्रीक्वेंटली. चलिए चुंबी, हंसोन्नाल. दिस वन, 2. इसमें सेकेंड हाथ नहीं चलेगा, सिर्फ ये हाथ चलेगा. नेक्स्ट इज पंच. 3, 4. Okay, only one hand here. Okay, this one, okay, ready. We'll do together Hansonnal Momtong Maki. Ready, to me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now go back. One more time. Jumbi. Hansonnal, Momtong Maki. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. Shabash. Very good. Well done. Well done. Sora, बहुत अच्छे. Anirudh, keep going. Okay. Now our next is Hansonnal Aremaki. Hansonnal Aremaki, जो कि नीचे का ब्लॉक है. सोन्नाल लोअर ब्लॉक. Okay. We'll start. Go back. Okay, now Sonnal, Duit Kubi Sonnal, Hansonnal, Aremaki. 1, 2. This is the lower block. 3. Okay, we'll do together. पहले खड़े खड़े आप थोड़ा सा प्रैक्टिस कर लीजिए. यहां से 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, we'll do now. Duit Kubi Hansonnal Aremaki. Chair to me. Okay, we'll do together. Stand in Jumbi position. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, very good. Now one more time. Okay, one more time. Go back. Ready? To be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now let me check one more time. I will check who is going to do best. Okay, go back and stand. पीछे जाइए. On my count, Duit Kubi, Hansonnal Aremaki. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good, very good. शाबाश. ध्रुवी बहुत अच्छे. रोहित रेड्डी, very good. नीचे 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 और नीचे. Put your arm. Yes, good, good. Now is okay. Okay. Ready. So there are so many basic movements in Taekwondo which will be used in Pumse. इनकी आप डेली थोड़ा थोड़ा प्रैक्टिस करेंगे फॉर परफेक्शन. सो वी विल आप आगे चल के क्योरगी के साथ साथ पुमसे में भी बहुत अच्छे प्लेयर बन सकते हैं. उसके लिए आपको इन बेसिक मूवमेंट्स को डेली अपनी प्रैक्टिस में यूज करना होगा. ओके, विल एंड टुडे सेशन हियर with the class and bow, and will hand over to Gautam sir. Okay, now stand together, Chirek, all stand, Chirek, Kyungri. Okay, now clap for today's class. And now I am going to hand over. This is the last class of grassroots level. We will meet in development and elite level also. We'll meet again. हम लोग मिलते रहेंगे. Over to Gautam.
Okay, sir. Thank you, Naresh sir. It was a wonderful session. And my dear children, as I told you, we are moving on to developmental level very soon. Our training is going to be really difficult. Do you remember? पिछली क्लास में मैंने बताया था कि हम थोड़ा पसीना बहाएंगे. Right? Do you remember? We are going to train little harder. Are you ready to train hard? Are you ready to train hard? If yes, show me your thumb. Oh, really, really, really good. Very good. I can see so many thumbs. Okay, now, all of you, get ready. We are going to do something really exciting, something really hard today. Our training is going to be little harder compared to the previous days. And I'm going to, as I told you, I'm going to test you. I'm going to see how much have you learned. आज हम एक देखने की कोशिश करेंगे कि आपने पिछले क्लासेस में कितना सीखा है. Okay, start with the first one. First one, rhythm 1. I'm sorry. The first one is stepping. Do you remember we had done steps before? We had done steps. So I'm going to show you now, one by one steps, what to do, and then we are going to train. Everybody come in fighting stance. Fighting stance. Yes, come in fighting stance. Okay. And we are going to do forward and backward steps. Okay, forward, back steps. Can you see me? Forward, back steps. Okay, yes, very good. So the first one is left leg forward and right leg back and moving forward and backward step. Is it clear? Is it okay? Yes. Left leg in front, right leg at the back, and moving forward and backward is your stepping. And your stepping is forward and backward moving in the fighting stance. Okay? All right. So this is first one. Second one is number 2, change the stance. अपना राइट लेग को सामने रखेंगे और लेफ्ट लेग को पीछे रखेंगे. राइट लेग विल बी इन फ्रंट and left at the back, and come in the fighting stance. Move. Okay? It is number 2. Number 3. Number 3 is knee high. Rhythm 1. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. This one is, do you remember? हमने ये प्रैक्टिस की थी. Together left, together right, together left, together right. याद है? Yes. So we are going to do together left, together right in place. Okay? This is the third one. Okay. Number 4. Number 4 is going to be 2 times right, 2 times left. Are you ready? 2 times right and 2 times left. Okay? 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. So 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay? Yes. This is number 4. Right. Number 5. Number 5 is 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. Yes. So 1 time with right, 1 time with left, and then 2 time with right. Then 1 time with right, 1 time with left, 2 times with right. Then 1 time with left, 1 time with right, 2 time with left. Look at me. This is called 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. Then 1, 1, 2. Then 1, 1, 2. Okay? So 1 time knee high, 1 time knee high, and then 2 time knee high. Yes, very good. Now number 6. Number 6. Only with left leg. Only with left leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay? Yes. And number 7. Number 7 is only with right leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. And the last one. Number 8. The last one is knee high, running style. Running style knee high. Who can show me? Who can show me running style knee high? Yes. Ritika Das, very good. Veera, very good. Vaishnavi, very good. Aradhya, come on, do it. Hriday Sethi, very nice. Okay, Danif, Daphne, Vihan. Yes, I can see many of you. Very good high knee action, but keep your body straight. Straight. Okay. All right. Are you ready? Are you ready to train? Okay. Number 1. Come on. Do. Step. 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 Number 1. Yes. Number 2. Number 2. Change the stance. Number 2. Yes. 3. Rhythm 1. 3. Okay. Number 4. 2 times. 2 right, 2 left. Okay. And number 5. 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. 1, 1, 2. 1 time, 2 time. 1 time, 2 time. This is number 5. Yes. What is number 6? Only left leg. Only left leg. Come on. Yes. Very good. Number 7, only with the right leg. Only with right leg.
Very good. Very good.
Good, good, good. Next. Number 8, the last one. What is that? Running knee high. Number 8 is running knee high. Very nice. Okay. Now, are you ready to do it with the music? Are you ready? Very nice. So, now one music will be played. Okay? One music will be played. You will have to exercise for 20 seconds. How many seconds? 20 seconds. 20. And then every exercise, after every exercise, you have got a rest for 10 seconds. 10 seconds. 10 seconds is rest time. You can relax. You can relax. Again, number 2, 20 seconds. Then there will be rest for 10 seconds. Am I okay? Are you able to follow me? Very good. So there are, how many exercises are there? Can anyone tell me how many exercises are there? Yes, total 8 exercises. 4 and 4. And we are going to do sare exercises for 20 seconds each. 20 seconds. Every exercise is for 20 seconds, followed by 10 seconds of rest. Okay? Yeah. Come on, be ready. Come on, coaches, join me. Come on, coaches, join me. Okay. So the first one is your favorite song. We are going to train Despacito. Ready? The Despacito.
3, 2, 1. Work. Three, 2, 1. Rest. 3, 2, 1. Work.
Right leg forward.
Three, 2, 1. Rest.
Next one is high, alternate high.
3, 2, 1. Work. Three, 2, 1. Rest.
Right, left. Right, left.
3, 2, 1. Work. Three, 2, 1. Rest.
Next one is 1, 1, 2. 1, 1,
3, 2, 1. Work. Three, two, one. Rest. Three, two, one. Work.
Only one leg.
Three, two, one. Rest.
Only right leg. Only right leg. One leg.
Three, two, one. Work. Three, two, one. Rest. Three, two, one. Work.
Anytime. Go.
Three, two, one. Rest.
Good. Wow. Fantastic. Did you enjoy it? Did you enjoy it? Okay, Veera Levant. Fantastic. Aradhya. Fantastic. Now, we are going to do one more set. Oh my God, I am tired. Are you tired? Are you tired? Let me see. Let me see who is tired. Debashrita is not tired. Fantastic. Let me see more. Vihan. Are you tired, Vihan? No. Okay. So let us see one by one. So we will try to see if you are tired or not. If you are tired, then not be. Do you want to do one more time? Do you want to do one more time? Okay. Let me see who does it. So 1, 2, 8. All the exercises. And tomorrow we are going to do same little high intensity. Today it is only practice. Tomorrow we are going to feature your videos. Don't forget. कल हम आपके वीडियोस दिखाने वाले हैं. तो जो अच्छा करेगा उनके वीडियो दिखाएंगे, सबके नहीं. Okay. So don't forget to train hard. Okay, one more time. One more time. I think we coaches are tired. You can see sweating. I am very, very tired. So, are you ready? Okay, one more time. Get ready. Now, the next song is, which song you want? Let us have Cheap Thrills. Are you okay with the Cheap Thrills? Number 4. Number 4, Cheap Thrills. Ready? Okay. Stepping number 1. Get with it, girl.
3, 2, 1. Work. Three, two, one. Rest. 3, 2, 1. Work. Rest.
Someone alternate now.
3, 2, 1. Work.
The radio on, it's Saturday and it won't be long. Gotta pay my nails, put my high heels on. It's Saturday and it won't be long till I hit the dance floor. Hit the dance floor. I got all I need. No, I ain't got cash, but I got
3,
you, baby.
2, 1. Rest. Three, 2, 1. Work.
I don't need no money. As long as I get this.
3, 2, 1. Rest. 3, 2, 1. Work.
I don't need no money. As long as I can feel the beat. I don't need no money.
3, 2, 1.
As I get
Rest. Three, 2, 1. Work. Three, 2, 1. Rest. Three, 2, 1. Work.
Radio on, it's Friday night and it won't be long. Gotta do my hair, put my makeup on. It's Friday night and it won't be long till I hit the dance floor. Hit the dance floor. I got all I need. No, I ain't got cash, I got you, baby.
Just you and
3, 2, 1. Rest. Three, 2, 1. Work.
As long as I get this.
3, 2, 1. Rest.
Fantastic. Fantastic. Wow. Relax. 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 Thank you, coaches. Thank you. Now, let us do some cooling down. You must be very tired. I'm also tired. I'm an old man. So, are you tired? Are you tired? No, I am tired. Sorry. I quit. I quit. I quit. Thank you. You won, I lose. Tomorrow I will defeat you. Tomorrow I'll come back and I defeat you. I see you tomorrow. Let's do some cooling down today. Easy. So slowly turning. Okay, take a deep breath. Deep breath. Deep breath in, out. Deep breath. Expand your arms. Expand your arms. How many medals do you want? This many. How many medals do you want? This many. Yes. How many medals do you want? Deep breath. How many medals do you want? Yes. Now up and down. Okay. How high do you want to go? Up, down. How much higher do you want to go? Up, down. Okay. You can do some stretching, more stretching exercises when you have a little more time, because we are at the end of the show. But before that, let me introduce the winners of yesterday's quiz. And the question, yesterday's question was, let us have a look at yesterday's question. Okay, are you ready for the quiz time? Come close, come close, come close. Samne aa jao. Samne aa jao. Yeah. So, the first, before we go to the question of yesterday and the names of the winners, इससे पहले कि हम कल के विजेताओं को देखें, आपने ये ईमेल नोट डाउन किया है? Note down this email ID and send me your action photos. Send me the videos. We are going to feature your action photos and videos in this program. Okay? So I want all of you, do you have some action photo video? Do you have? Okay. What about your action videos? Then send me. In this email, you got to forward me अपने अच्छे action photographs and videos को forward करें. उसमें से जो best videos and photographs होंगे, हम उसे अपने show में दिखाएंगे. Now, let us have a look at the question of yesterday. The question was, what is the correct speed to start and finish a basic hand movement? I told you, basic hand movement, how to start, and the answer was slow to fast. The answer was slow to fast. Slow to fast. If you do a movement, slow, fast, slow, fast, slow, fast, slow, fast. So reaction has to always be slow to fast in nature, and then preparation is slow and execution is fast. So the winners, the first 5 winners are Shubham, Dhatri, Amish Mamgen, Fatima Zehra, and Dishita Gupta. Talia, congratulations to the winners. Now let us have a look at today's question. आज का सवाल on your screen. What does the green belt in Taekwondo signifies? I repeat, what does the green belt in Taekwondo signifies? यानी कि Taekwondo में जो हरा बेल्ट होता है, white belt, yellow belt, green belt, वो green belt क्या दर्शाता है? किस बात को समझाता है? हम ग्रीन बेल्ट से क्या समझते हैं? So what does the green belt signifies in Taekwondo? That is the question. And the options are growth, grassroot, groom, grasp. And the chat box is on to give the answers. Are you all ready? Come on. Go ahead, go ahead, go ahead, go ahead. Very good, very good, very good, very good, very good, very good. Come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, come on, come on, come on. And time up. Thank you. Fantastic. Very good participation. Now, we have come to the end of this program. As I told you, don't forget, tomorrow is a big day. We are going to switch over from grassroots to developmental. our training program is going to be a little tough. You are going to be a little more tired. Hereafter, the training will not be basics. Training is going to be a little more difficult in nature. So all of you, stay tuned, keep your spirits high, keep practicing at home, and then see you tomorrow, 5 o'clock, in the same program. Till then, everybody, chariot, stand up, all of you. Everyone, those who are not practicing also should not forget the decorum of Taekwondo. I request everyone, those who are the Taekwondo trainees, whether you are training or not, please stand up and give respect to Taekwondo. Please stand up. Chariot. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, everybody, for your participation. See you tomorrow at 5. Till then, bye-bye.